spectacular. How good is this? Making the workout again. And it's loaded with fish. We are going to get smashed. Here they go again. Just done a decent ride out on the trophy. 65 k's from our launch point. Loaded up with the fuel caddy on the back just in case we get a hard ride home. It's well worth the ride when you get out here to this. You have to get a shot of the sounder, it's just loaded with fish. You need to get into it. We've got mayhem behind us. Woohoo! Oh, there's a whale. Oh, go! And fish. Just crazy. We are so spoiled for fishing. Good fishing, Ash. Living the dream. How cool is this? Ooh, and have tight arms. Here it comes. Some nice quality fish too. That's a good one. While I'm just winding this one up, probably a good time to mention a few of you guys have been watching, been asking about what I'm wearing out here. Coming into summer, I'll wear these light sharkskin pants. They're SPF 50, and then for my top, you get these in multiple colours, which I actually have on my website. The rapid dry tops, they're SPF 50 protected. So they're going to stop you from getting burnt out here and allow you to get back out on the water the next day. Nothing worse than getting a bit too much sun and not being able to get back out there the next day. Woo! Crikey. So if you're after any gear for clothing for getting out there enjoying this sport, just drop me a message or ask any questions on my YouTube feed, and I can help you out and let you know exactly what I use. Also do a wet weather top as well, which is really popular with the community of fishers. Important to keep yourself dry as well so you don't get cold and get a wet ride out. I've been doing this sport for 15 years, so I've sort of tried out most different products to see what works and what doesn't work. And what you see me wearing is what I've decided works best for me. Just about down there. Yeah, decent, yeah, 50 metres here. You can hear those birds going crazy in the background. As soon as you get down the bottom, you hook up. And it's still going crazy. Another perfect day. Just about ready to call it quits and head back. Fill out our fish, do the cleanup. And then the gannets just start going crazy again. Good sized fish. Really good fish today. It's all go. There's the whale over in the background there. Bent rod. Soft baiting in the workouts. Always plenty of fun. Half the fun of this type of fishing is doing your homework and finding where these workups are. Doing the miles, getting the smiles we call it. Following the right lot of birds and hopefully finding where they're feeding on the fish. Whew. And there they go. Get yourself out here and get amongst it if you're in Auckland. Oh, here comes the fish. Ooh. Don't need a big boat to get out here amongst this. Get all your safety gear done right. Got a PLB, VHF, cell phone. All prepared to come out with a wingman and get into this. Just awesome. Decent fish now. That'll be enough to go home.